Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create a free Redbubble website. So for those who don't know what is Redbubble is an online platform from where you can sell your art and make money. So basically let me keep that simple. If you have any artwork, you just upload it to this website and the website automatically prints your design into t-shirts, mugs, phone cases and many other products and sell them on their website. And someone purchases your product, your designed products, you get a commission. So this is the way how this website works. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So here I am on my laptop screen. I'll go to search bar and type redbubble.com and click enter. As you can see, the window pops up. So this is the website of the Redbubble, and I'm going to show you the complete tutorial on how to create an account. So you just have to go on top and click on that sell your art option. So you'll get a new window open, and there is a option called get started, it's free. We have to just click on that and you have to log in. So as you can see, I have created already an account, so I am going to delete that options and we'll create a new one. So here we have to enter our Gmail address, so it is important to enter. Then you have to choose your username and the password. You can choose whatever you want. So I'm going to create a new one here and click on that tick mark that email me with special offers and click on sign up option. After clicking that, we'll come up with a new dashboard. So as you can see, there are some criteria to get started with this account. You have to complete this. To complete this, we'll click on this icon and go to account settings, and first we'll upload a profile pic. Because keeping an profile updated is very important in this field, we'll go to this choose image and select our any image which we want to upload. I am going to select my image here. You can select whatever image you want. You can create your own logo and you can just upload it here. So I am going to click on that upload button. After clicking that, as you can see, our profile pic has been updated. We'll go back again to the same settings. We'll click on the icon and go to account settings and scroll down so that we can enter our personal information to complete the setup of the account. Here we have to select our name, first name and the last name. I'm going to type that in capital and I'll write my name here. So I'll just keep it Kumar down below for the last name. So here is an option. You can show the display name as your real name, or you can keep it as your username also. I am going to keep my username, and then there is no any other settings. In bio, you have to write your own bio. What is your profession and what you are going to do in this website, and you have to tell something about yourself in this bio column so that buyers can get some idea about your work. So I'm going to type this. You can type anything you want, and if you scroll down, there is some other options about Pinterest and mature content. We'll take care of that later, and click on the save changes button. Once you click that save changes, your profile will be updated. 1 second, we haven't uploaded the cover image. I'll just upload an image. You can also upload your own image. So I'll click on the upload button. So here our cover image has been updated, and I'll just click save changes. So after this, your account will be successfully created, and then we'll go to edit payment details and confirm our Gmail here. So we have to go back to our Gmail. There will be a Gmail called Redbubble. So this is the welcome Gmail. We'll receive another Gmail with the verification link. We have to click on that. To get that verification link, we just have to go back to our Redbubble website and click on that resend confirmation. Once we click on that, the Redbubble sends you an email to your Gmail account. You just have to click on that verified link. So here we'll get an confirmation link. We'll just click on that. So we'll click on this link and our Gmail will be confirmed and our account will be activated. So again the same page opens. Now we'll go and click on the edit payment details option. So here as you can see our email has been confirmed, and then next column you have to enter your house address. This is important because sometimes Redbubble may send you the check to your address. For that purpose you have to enter your own address here and city and pin code of your state or the country. And I'll click on the Karnataka here and I'll select my country India. You can select your state and country and address. Then we'll come to payment methods. As you can see here there is no option of INR, I mean Indian currency, so we'll select United States option, and we have to create a PayPal account for this. So there are many videos on the how to create PayPal account. You just create one PayPal account and click here verify PayPal account, and you just have to sign into your PayPal account. That's it. Then the amount will be directly transferred to your PayPal account, and PayPal account will be directly linked to your bank account, so that payment will be easier. So PayPal is a payment gateway. If you have any USD currency or any other currencies, it will be easily converted into your Indian currency and updated into your bank. As you can see, we have completed every criteria here. You can click on this add a social link option and add your Facebook profile page or something which you have created in Instagram or any other website you have. You can add this to your Redbubble website also, and you can save it here. And we'll go back to your dashboard and check out the other details. So as you can see, this is the final setup and this is how the Redbubble account is created. I'll show you my website and how I have created, and I have uploaded some designs also. I'm going to show you how I am created. So I'll just sign into my account. As you can see, this is the website after you sign in to your account. So I'm going to click on my profile. So as you can see, I have completed all the criteria and uploaded 2 designs. Now I'm going to show you how the profile looks. I'm going to click on the view shop icon. So here you can see the 2 designs that I have created. So I'll click on the show more products and view all the 45 products. So if you upload one image, the website automatically updates into other products also. So this is how it looks. This is how you create a Redbubble account. I am going to create a new separate video on how to upload your work to Redbubble account. So stay tuned for that, and please do subscribe to my channel. So that's the video. If you like this video, please give a big fat thumbs up and also share your thoughts in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you get notified every time we post a new video. So that's it for today. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, change the world by creating new.